Real estate investing might seem like a young person's game, but the truth is, the most successful investors over 50 rely on principles that never go out of style. Let's talk about the timeless strategies that still work, no matter how much the market or technology changes. First, cash flow is your safety net. No matter what's happening in the economy, properties that pay you every month help you weather any storm. Today, you can use apps to analyze rentals and make sure your investments keep bringing in steady income. Second, leverage is your growth engine. For decades, smart investors have used other people's money to build wealth. Whether it's creative financing, partnerships, or home equity lines, the tools may look different, but the principle is the same. Use leverage wisely to grow faster. Third, relationships are your secret weapon. The best investors have always built strong networks with lenders, contractors, and tenants. Now you can expand your circle online, connecting with other investors across the country and learning from their experiences. Finally, discipline beats timing every time. Don't get distracted by headlines or market hype. The investors who win are the ones who stick to their plan, invest regularly, and focus on the fundamentals. So if you're over 50 and thinking about real estate, remember, the tools may change, but the principles don't. Stick to these timeless strategies and you'll set yourself up for lasting wealth and freedom. Real 50 Plus is here to prove you're not too late, you're right on time. If this helped, like, comment, and share it with someone 50 plus, ready to start building legacy through real estate. Grab your free starter tools kit in the description link below. Subscribe to Real 50 Plus for weekly motivation, strategy, and support. Let's grow together.